Students, I am Sujit Kumar Rao, my YouTube channel all about civil engineering. We are welcome. Today we discuss the transportation engineering 1, which is fourth sem. Transportation engineering divided three three numbers. One is railway engineering, number two is bridge engineering, number two is tunnel engineering. We already tunnel and bridge completed, and railway engineering rest portion are we have completed today. Today's topic is ballast of railway engineering. Okay, see the ballast topic of railway engineering. Just see, it is the track, railway track, and see the blast. Okay, and sleeper also. Sleeper is next chapter. We have also completed sleeper. This is the blast. Blast means blast is the granular material, usually broken stone or any other suitable material which is spread on the top of railway formation and around the sleeper. Okay, repeat. Blast is the granular material, usually broken stone or any other suitable material which spread on the top of the railway formation and around the sleeper. Okay, see the PDF. Ballast is the granular material, usually broken stone, any other suitable material which is spread on the top of the railway formation and around the sleeper. Okay, function of blast, very important. Arise the question in the semester. Function of blast, definition of blast, characteristic of good blast, type of blast, advantage, disadvantage. Okay. Function of blast. Function. Which is the function? Also known the function of blast. Blast is the railway track perform the flowing function. One, to hold the sleeper in position and preventing the lateral and longitudinal movement. Two, to distribute the axle load uniform from sleeper to a large area of formation. 3. To provide elastic to the track. It acts as an elastic mat between subgrade and sleeper to provide easy means of maintaining the correct level of two rail in a track, to drain the rainwater from the track, to prevent the growth of weeds inside the track. Okay, next, this is the function of blast. Next, characteristics of good blast. Characteristic of good blast, it should have sufficient strength to resist crushing under heavy loads of moving trains. It should It should be durable enough to resist abrasion and weathering action. It should have rough and angular surface so as to provide good lateral and longitudinal stability to the sleeper. Churn number 4, it should have good workability so that it can be easily spread on formation. It should have good workability so that it can be easily spread on the formation. It should not make the track dusty or muddy due to crushing to powder under wheel loads. It should allow the easy and quick drainage of the track. It should not have any chemical action on metal sleeper and rail. Okay. Characteristic of good good blast are very important. Also, function of the blast and blast. Definition of blast. Type of blast is the important. Type of blast. See the type of. In India, the flowing material are used in ballast. One, broken stone. Two, gravel. Sand, ashes, cinders, conker, muram, blast furnace, blast, and selected earth. Okay, first see the broken stone. Broken stone means mana পাথরের টুকরো আর কি। Broken stone. This is the base type of blast. This is the base type of blast as it possesses all the characteristics of a good blast. It holds the track to correct alignment and gradient due to high interlocking action. The stones which are non-porous, hard and do not flake on breaking should be used. Igneous rocks such granite, quartzite and trap make excellent blast. Okay. Igneous rocks Igneous rocks and such as granite and trap make excellent blast. Yeah, igneous মানে আগ্নেয় শিলা and granite, quartzite and trap make excellent blast. Excellent blast কোনগুলো? আগ্নেয়, গ্রানাইট আর কোয়ার্টজাইট ট্র্যাপ রয়েছে, এগুলো হচ্ছে এক্সাম্পল ব্রোকেন স্টোন ভালো তৈরি হয়। অ্যাডভান্টেজটা কি? Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, it is hard and resist crushing under heavy loads. It has angular and rough surface, hence give more stability to the sleeper. Its drainage property is excellent. Okay, disadvantage. Advantage, it have and also have disadvantage. It is expensive, also expensive. ব্যয়বহুল, it is not easily available, it is not available. Gravel, next is gravel. Gravel is the second best material for blast. This is obtained either from river beds or from gravel pits and has smooth rounded fragments. Gravel obtained from pits usually contain earth which should be removed by washing. Gravel obtained from river beds, screen and required size gravel is used. Larger size gravel are broken into required size. Round edge gravel are broken to increase their interlocking action. Okay, it have advantage and disadvantage. See the disadvantage. Gravel is cheapest than stone blast. Cheapest, not expensive. The drainage property of the gravel is excellent. It hold to track to correct alignment and gradient. It is easy to use gravel blast than stone blast at certain place where formation is unstable. Disadvantage: it requires screening before use due to large variation in size. Gravel obtained from pits require washing due to round faces. Packing under slipper is losses. Okay, this etc. Next is sand. Sand is reasonable, a good material for the blast. Sand is reasonable, good material of the blast. Coarse sand is generally preferred to fine sand of ballast. Okay, coarse sand are used. Okay. The type of blast is suitable for packing, pot, sleeper. It is used only on important tracks. And it also have advantage and disadvantage. It is cheap material, it is available in large quantity, it has good drainage properties. Sandblast produced a silent trap. Design: it has no stability and get disturbed by the vibration caused by moving trains. It causes wear rails and seats and cases. Next is ashes and cinder. Yes, they are waste product obtained from steam locomotives. Ashes or cinders, these are waste product obtained from steam locomotives, and it also have advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: it is cheaper blast material, it has very good drainage quality. Okay, or also have disadvantage: it is very soft, get clump to powder under heavy loads. Next, Kankor. Kankor we have seen anywhere our living area. Kankor. It is natural material in the form of noodles from which lime is prepared. It also have advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: it is cheaper. It has good drainage property. Disadvantage: it is soft and crumble to powder traffic load. Okay, next, muram. It is soft aggregate and by the decomposition laterite. Okay, laterite থেকে আমরা মোরামটা পাওয়া যায়. It is easily available in the most part of India. Maximum পার্টেই আমাদের পাওয়া যায় মোরাম. It has good drainage property. It is used as blanket a new embankment. Disadvantage: it is soft, easily crumble. Same thing. Okay. Next is brick blast. Brick blast. Brick blast at places where good blast material is not available, overburnt bricks are broken into suitable size to be used as ballast. যেখানে গুড ব্লাস্ট পাওয়া যায় না সেখানে ব্রিক ব্লাস্টকে ইউজ করা হয়. অ্যাডভান্টেজ: ইট ইজ এ চিপ ম্যাটেরিয়াল, প্রিভেন্ট গ্রোথ অফ ভেজিটেশন, it has good drainage properties. Or disadvantage: same thing, it is soft, easily crumble to powder under heavy loads. Okay, next is selected earth. Selected earth, hardened clay and decomposed rock are suitable for use as ballast. When tracks are laid a new formation, then sleeper are packed with earth for a few months. It's called selected earth. Next, very important, size and section of the blast. The size of blast used in railway tracks varies from 19 mm to 51 mm. Very important. 19 mm to 51 mm. Okay. Stone of size larger than 51 mm are not preferred because these do not provide good interlocking. The base size of the blast is that which contain equal properties Equal proportion of different size of stone varies from 19 mm to 51 mm. For wooden sleeper, 51 mm. Wooden sleeper, wooden sleeper 51 mm. For steel sleeper, 38 mm. For point and crossing, 25 for mm. This is the railway blast. Okay, we have previously discussed picture of the blast, where the situated, size and section of the blast. Okay, advantage, disadvantage, different types of blast, very important types of blast, characteristic of good blast, important function of blast, and also define the blast. Okay, if you love the video, please share, like and subscribe the our channel or YouTube channel. Thank you.